Alright, you gotta check this out. People can't stop buying it. This product's everywhere right now, and it deserves the attention. Smooth performance, clean design, and the price? Honestly, a total steal. If you've seen this around, it's for a reason. Check the link below to see why it's trending.
Hold up. You gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. Everyone's hyped about this, and I was curious too. Turns out, it's totally worth it. Great quality, simple to use, and the results are exactly what you'd hope for. Go click the link below before it sells out. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. Thousands of people have bought this already, and for good reason. It just works. Super easy setup, feels durable, and looks way more expensive than it is. Click the link in the description before it's gone. You'll thank me later.
Hold on, this one's getting crazy good reviews everywhere. I tried it because everyone kept talking about it, and wow, it actually...